Now, I've been trying out the Butter Source's vanilla beard butter for the last couple of weeks, playing around with it. I love beard butters, they're one of my favourite beard care products, and I was left fairly impressed with this product. It's not the best thing I've ever used, certainly isn't the worst, and I think anyone looking for a solid beard butter would be left feeling pretty happy if they were to buy this. For anyone that doesn't know, my name's Daniel. I run this channel over here, Beardster, focusing on like the bearded lifestyle type of culture around beards and hair, and I'm just doing a whole bunch of stuff on this channel that kind of feeds my creative tendencies. So if you get any value out of this video, make sure to leave it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I go live. The Butter Source use a solid formula for their beard butter. It's got some real nice ingredients. It's got shea butter, jojoba oil, avocado oil, argan oil, coconut oil, black seed oil, aloe vera, and that sounds incredible to me. I actually picked up this beard butter like, I don't know, ages ago, over a year ago at least. Like, I've just had it sat there, like I hadn't even realized I had it. I don't know, I can't remember why I got it. I must have just been trying a few products out. Like I like to try products out. It just was one that I hadn't really got around to using. On the product itself, like, because this is an old one, I don't know if they've updated it, but I don't actually know what essential oils they're using, and really they should be telling you what essential oils are in the product under EU law. It just says, and some essential oils, so it's not really transparent. If you have allergies, you really need to be clued up on what's in there. I can't really see on the website what they put in there. So it's a kind of, it's frustrating for me, that part. Let me know if you've used them recently and they've upgraded their labels, and I can take that into account. So overall, the beard base kind of, I kind of want to say it feels amazing. It gives a nice solid hold. Something just lets it down a little bit. It's a little bit too greasy, and I think it's because it's shea butter based. Shea butter just is full of grease. It's a really nice product. That's why it's used in so many cosmetic products. It's something about it, it doesn't always absorb as nicely as, say, like a mango butter, for example. But let's talk about the scent. It's a vanilla scent, like hands down. It's vanilla based. I kind of get a scent of like mint coming through. I mean, I don't know. I've been trying to find out what's actually in it in terms of the essential oils. I can't, but there's definitely some vanilla in there. That's why it's called vanilla. There's a freshness that comes through. For me, it's a little bit too strong on the old nose. I mean, it kind of smells like a cake mix. I mean, that's a good thing, but it smells so strong. It's so like, if you put a lot in your mustache, you kind of just, every time you breathe in, you're getting a scent of it, and it can get quite sickly very quickly. So the consistency is quite nice. It feels like a whipped shea butter. It's very similar to unrefined shea butter if you've ever like got your hands on like a tub of that. But it feels pleasant, and you actually get 150 grams of the stuff for 15 quid. But this stuff is gonna last you for, I think, for months. Like, the value is exceptional on this product. So the finish on the beard is good. Like I already alluded to it, like it feels good in the hand. It feels quite nice on the face. It gives it a good hold. It's just a bit too greasy, so it just lets itself down on that aspect. So time to score this beard butter overall. It gets a score out of 50 over 5 key areas that I just kind of covered off, which are packaging, scent, consistency, price, and finish. So for packaging, it gets a 7. The product looks quite nice. The labels look quite cool. The scent gets an 8. It's a pleasant scent. It's just a bit too strong for me. And the consistency of the product, it gets an 8 as well. For the price, it gets a 9 because it's a fairly good price on such a good amount of product. And for the finish, it gets a 7 because although it kind of makes the beard feel good, it moisturizes the skin, the greasiness, it can't get a higher score from me on that. Let me know what you guys think of this product if you've ever tried it in the comments below. It'd just be really interesting if you kind of found it to be greasy. But overall, it's got a score of 39 out of 50. I would recommend any product that gets a 35 score, that gets 7s across the board, or maybe some 6s and some 8s depending on what they are. So yeah, overall a really nice product to use. Thanks for your time and attention. Thanks for checking out this beard butter review, and I'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.